Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Minka Aire ceiling fan remote not working. The remote that you use to control the fan is not working, and I'm going to take you through a troubleshooting process to get the remote working again. The first step we're going to do is to turn off all the switches in the house connected to the fan. The next step is to go to the circuit breaker box, and we're going to turn off the main circuit to the ceiling fan that you're trying to program. And then you need to make sure that you have the unique code set to your remote. The next step you're going to do is to turn the power back on, flip the light switch on, and then what you want to do is press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. And then that should reset it and get it working again. Hope this video helped. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.